Time to celebrate some Tuesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we begin in McCune with Blaine Martin, celebrating birthday number 2. A very happy birthday to you, Blaine.
And it's another Boogney birthday in the 4 states. Emerson Boogney turning 5 years old this year. Hope you have a wonderful day.
And in Pittsburgh, we've got Gabriel Spann celebrating birthday number 6. Very happy birthday to you, Gabriel.
Aria Major celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Happy birthday, sweetie.
And we've got Cowan Dunn celebrating birthday number 9 as well in Pittsburgh. A very happy birthday to you, Cowan.
And a belated birthday wish going out to Macy Out, who's 10 years old now. That's a really cool picture there of Macy in Webb City.
And back to Pittsburgh we go for Andrew Lance, celebrating birthday number 37. Very happy birthday to you, Andrew.
And Jack Washburn celebrating birthday number 92 this year. This particular picture was taken back in July at Yellowstone Park. Pretty cool.
Very cool. And we head over to Oswego for Tiffany Higgins, who's celebrating a birthday. Tiffany, I hope it's a great one for you. You'll want to bundle up, though.
All right. And Bill and Cheryl Harvey are celebrating their 42nd wedding anniversary there in Pittsburgh.
And we also have a very special birthday going out to Rick Hershey, a Joplin police officer. A very special, very happy birthday to you, Rick. I hope it's a great one for you.
All right, and yes, and thank you for all that you do, Mr. Hershey. And Neil Scott celebrating a birthday in Scammon.
All right, and you know what? This list was pretty short. We'd like it to be longer, and Tanya's going to tell you how you can contribute to our birthday list every morning.
It's really simple. You can always use the U.S. Postal Service to send us your pictures and information, but it's really easy if you send it to us online through an email. At birthdays, don't forget the S, at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're visiting our website for the latest news, weather, and sports, and everything else you need to know, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM News Now Birthday Club. All you need to do is head over to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for it. You get special deals from local businesses and a nice little birthday message from us. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.